Looking to remove multimedia from your PDF files on Mac? Introducing SysTools Mac PDF Media Remover Tool. Easily remove file attachments, audio, video, and other rich media from your PDF documents on Mac with a fast, simple, and effective solution. Key features of the software. Dual options to add file. Add files or add folder to import multiple PDFs with ease. Remove attachments. Strip out all attached files from PDF documents in one go. Remove rich media. Get rid of embedded videos, audio, and Flash objects. 2 options to remove media. There are 2 media removal options: remove or remove and save. To install the software, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. You'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. To get started, click on either Add Files to import individual PDF files or Add Folder to upload an entire folder of PDFs. A Finder window will open. Simply navigate to your files, select them, and click Open. Once added, the selected files or folder will be instantly displayed in the software interface. If the document is secured with known password, enter the document credentials in Password section. If you wish to remove wrong selected file, simply select the file, and click the Remove or Remove All button to delete it. After your files are added, click the Next button to proceed. In the next panel, choose the types of media you wish to remove. You have 2 checkboxes under Select Media Type options: Attachment and Rich Media. Remove attachments. Remove any files attached to the PDF. Remove rich media. Remove Flash, audio, and video content. Under Media Action, select how the media should be handled. Remove, permanently delete selected media from the PDF. Remove and Save, deletes media but also saves a backup copy in a folder of your choice. Next, set your output location. Click Change button to choose where the clean PDF should be saved. Once your files and preferences are set, click on Export button to begin the process. The software will instantly process your files and display a real-time progress bar. Once the media removal process is completed, the tool will display a confirmation message indicating the successful completion of the operation. Click OK to proceed. You'll then be taken to the status summary screen: total file count, success file count, failure file count. To view the results, simply click on the View Report button. This will open a detailed report and allow you to quickly access the output folder. Finally, open any of the processed PDF files to confirm that all embedded media have been successfully removed, leaving you with a clean, optimized document. And that's it. That's how to remove embedded media from PDF files on Mac with just a few clicks. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.